Hi, I'm Alex Scottney, lead engineer here at Armfield. This is the SV303 deflection of beams and cantilevers kit. This kit is used to investigate the deflection of beams of varying section size and material. So here we have a 3mm thick aluminium beam, a 3mm thick stainless steel beam, and on here a 5mm thick aluminium beam. This kit is used to investigate the beam under different support conditions. So with no mounting plates present, we have a simply supported beam. With one present, we have a propped cantilever beam, and then with one each side, we have an encastro beam setup. Before looking at the software, it's worth mentioning the SV303 structures console is not required for this kit. The deflection of beams and cantilevers experiment is a manual input only experiment. So if we are to add a mass here, then we can measure the deflection value as shown here.